So we are in Grey Eagle. The tractor pull is going on. This is the Labor Day tractor pull contest that is sponsored by the Grey Eagle Bertram Lions. And I'm going to walk you around with a 360 camera. Click on this video. You can scroll around. It's going to get noisy because we're going right through the pit area and with the tractors and such. And I'll take you around and you can just check out the whole day here on 360.
So Reed Hollister, Jeff Knowles, Dale Trout will start us off. Right after this, we have a no speed limit class. 55 open class out has no speed limit. We have two hooks there. Chad Hart and Josh Klein are coming up. There's Dave from Zimmerman. Hang on, wait a minute. I thought Blue was reset. We'll reset this and do it over. We reached down to the dash, thought he changed the horn, but there we go. We'll drag him on back. Do it again. So we got to reset the horn for 6. He got horned at 3-1. Of course, he shouldn't have been. A nice pull right there for Wade out of Zimmerman. He knows where Now Then is. of Monticello with the 47A. E2's back out. A lot of weight of them, Johnny. Well, you've been thinking about spoons, smelling food? Well, we better get over there to the Graybill Bertram Lions. I'd love to get you a good sandwich over there. They got great burgers. And they just go on the cheese and all right, Dan Campbell's going out now at 3-4, 4-1, 4-9.
Well, that's a look at the tractor pull here going on Labor Day weekend. It's always the Labor Day, the Monday of Labor Day weekend, that do the tractor pull up here. Rain almost or shot. Well, it rained last night. We had about an inch of rain, half inch to an inch of rain in town. Anyway, that's what's going on here today. We'll have a couple of different little pictures and such at the grounds you guys can check out on our Facebook page. Go out to Facebook and search for Hometown News. This is John Young from the Hometown News.